What's up, bros? We're on Lego.com, bricks and pieces, and I'm going to be trying to buy some golden ninja parts. So, let's go. I live in the United States, and let's type in 71741, the Ninjago City Gardens, and we're going to scroll through all the parts in the set. That's a cool golden leaf. Alright, we're approaching the minifigures section. So first, we have Golden Wu's beard, which sadly is out of stock. I would really want that beard because that would be really great, but sadly, nope. We have Golden Wu's torso for 85 cents. Add to bag. Next we have Golden Wu's little straw hat for 14 cents. We're going to add that to the bag. And we're going to add Golden Wu's head as well for 30 cents. So right now we have 3 things in the bag, and the legs aren't available to be bought on Bricks and Pieces. So far we're going to add bricks from another set. We're going to go to 71736, the Boulder Blaster. At first we're going to add Golden Kai's armor for 19 cents. We're going to add Golden Kai's ninja hood or mask for 39 cents. And we're going to add a Kai head because why not? I'm also going to add a Call head for 26 cents. Sadly, we can't get Kai's torso or legs. Now let's go and type in the last number, 71738. Wow, that's a golden gun. That's cool. Alright, we're going to add this golden digi armor for 41 cents. And we're going to add Golden Jay's golden and blue digi mask for 33 cents. And I would add Jay's head as well, but that's out of stock, and they don't sell Golden Jay's torso or legs. Big L, F in the chat. So those are all the golden parts that we're gonna get. Let's confirm order. Alright, the subtotal is $3.13 with standard delivery $2.95, tax 62 cents. The order total is $6.70 for some golden ninja parts. Now let's buy them.
One eternity later.
Alright, now the package has finally arrived. As you can see here, today is March 11th, 6 days before my birthday, and it's been like 2 months since I bought this package, so about time for it to arrive. So let's open this bad boy. Alright, I'm just gonna use my hands for once instead of grabbing scissors or anything. Alright, let's take out the contents, throw this package to the side. We have some instructions, not really instructions, just like a list of the parts. And we have all the parts right in this bag. Now let's open up the goods. It's really cool how whenever I buy a Bricks and Pieces pack, Lego always puts the parts inside these bags, and I just ripped it accidentally. But these bags are really awesome. And let's put these parts together. First off, we have Golden Wu, which is exclusive to the Ninjago City Gardens set. And as you can see here, that's the torso. It has some really awesome printing. Yeah, the printing is so good. And we have the head, which also has some really nice printing. And then we have the straw hat, attach that. We have the complete minifigure out of the parts that I bought. We couldn't buy the legs or the beard, sadly, but still, really awesome parts to get. Put them to the side. Then we have Golden Digi J parts. First up, we have the mask or the hood, which has some really nice gold and blue. Looks so cool. And then we have this golden digi armor, really nice as well. Then we have the golden Kai mask, looks really sick. Then we have this golden armor piece, which came with the golden Kai hood. I don't have this armor piece, so this is my first time getting it. I think this was introduced in season 11, so really nice to finally get this armor piece. Then we have some ninja heads. We have Kai and Cole, both have dual molded or printed face prints, and the only reason why I also bought an extra coal head was because I needed an extra coal head for an incomplete minifigure, because I was using his head for some other coal minifigure. Pretty nice. Spent a little over $6 on all these parts. Some fine additions to my collection. So I hope you bros enjoyed this video, and if you want some of these golden parts, be sure to pull up to Bricks and Pieces on Lego.com, and be sure to have a great day. See ya, bros.